Alright.
I got chocolate chips stuck in my throat. It's hard to burp now. That we're trying to have a burping contest.
These are like massive.
You got puke coming up now. More pop!
Sarah!
Just on and on all day, I guess.
Who's going next?
Jamie.
Sarah.
I just went. You sound like a dinosaur.
It was sticky.
Go, Sarah.
That's
She doesn't even have to drink anything.
No.
How do you burp like that? I wish I could burp like that.
It's a gift. It's a gift.
I'm gonna pee now.
Me too. Not
You
really.
guys are gonna finish that whole thing of pop.
We are!
Well, just Jamie, because Sarah can burp on command.
Farted.
Sarah.
That's not the type of contest we're having, Sarah.
I lose at farting contest.
I wonder if you could fart on command. That'd be really weird. You sound like a dinosaur. She's right.
Hi, Marshmallow, my girlfriend.
Run away, Marshmallow.
She doesn't eat you. Like, I ate her vagina.
Marshmallow.
So we're kind of ate
Go
her
again.
vagina earlier.
Don't eat my vagina.
That's big zit, Sarah.
I know it's huge right here.
Oh. If you look up on YouTube, there's this thing. It's like the biggest zit in the world. Oh my god, it's so nasty. I
The biggest
gagged.
burp?
No, the biggest zit.
Ew.
Oh my gosh, it's
I'm not-
they had to like pop it with a knife. It was so gross.
Can't you just...
But like you couldn't stop watching it. It was like it's one of those things. Like
two
it's
girls-
so
two girls,
nasty.
one cup. You
Oh
can't
my
stop
gosh, no!
watching.
I can stop watching that. I was like puking.
I was puking the whole time. I was like,
You're still burping.
she didn't drink.
How do you even generate that many burps?
I start getting like puke when I start burping without pop.
Can I have some of your mono?
What?
Will you share some of my mono?
No.
Please?
No. No. I don't want the kissing disease. Gotta take a shot.
If I what the heck we're doing. Just like Charlie in the Chocolate Factory.
Burp, Sarah, go. You look like a hot mouse.
We used the whole pop on this burping contest. We used the whole entire thing of pop.
You ready, Jamie? Go.
Okay, I'm gonna chug this on.
You're next.
Okay.
Actually, Sarah's next. Go. Just because Sarah can burp on command. Jamie's turn. His dinosaur burp. I really wish I could burp like that. I'm super jealous. Like I can't. I'm really like puking trying to burp. Are we done with this burping contest?
I gotta drink it.
I think Sarah won just because she could burp on command, but Jamie's burps were pretty. Jamie's burps are pretty massive. So who's the winner? Who are we deciding on the winner? I think we're gonna decide Sarah for more burps. Yay!
My stomach hurts now.
I know.